military occupational specialty. AH-64 Armament Electrical Avionics Systems Repair. The AH-64 Armament Electrical Avionics Systems Repair helps keep the Army's most advanced attack helicopter in top operating condition by ensuring that its sophisticated weaponry and electrical systems are maintained for readiness. The Apache utilizes futuristic computer and electronic technology to conduct aerial combat, coastal defense, armed reconnaissance, and fire support missions. For this, the Army uses the AH-64 Armament Electrical Avionics Systems Repair to evaluate, diagnose, and troubleshoot the electrical, fire control, and armament systems that keep the aircraft operational. This is precision work requiring skills with tools and attention to detail, because the missions and the safety of the crew depend on the quality of this work.
I wanted something that could challenge me and something I could work in a team setting in the highest level. This aircraft, in my opinion, is the best aircraft that we have in the Army. And being able to help that fulfill its mission and get off the ground is really something I take pride in.
I picked to be an Apache repair because of the challenge it was going to give me. I know this is a fairly complicated aircraft to work on, and I wanted the challenge to learn how to work on the aircraft.
I like the fact that I get to still work with my hands, because I've considered being a pilot, but the thing is, I actually like physically working on the equipment. I don't just like sitting there going, oh, hey, this is wrong. I like to be able to fix it myself.
After successfully completing 10 weeks of Army basic combat training, you will attend advanced individual training at Fort Eustis, Virginia, where your training will range from basic electrical principles to troubleshooting the AH-64 battery and the AC and DC systems. You will train to remove, overhaul, and replace electrical components, such as instrumentation and weaponry. You will also train to check the Apache's fire control radar system, to conduct continuity and voltage checks on the wiring and electrical components of the aircraft, and to use an interactive electronic technical manual to determine proper repair and maintenance procedures, and perform checks on the communication and lighting systems. After your advanced individual training, you will perform rewarding work as part of a maintenance crew under a shop supervisor, where your skills will further develop from practical, hands-on experience. Serving as an AH-64 Armament Electrical Avionics Systems Repair can help you transition from the military to the civilian employment sector, because your abilities in leadership, teamwork, and problem-solving are skills and values in demand by civilian employers, alongside your experience and knowledge with electrical systems, robotics, and avionics.
I chose this MOS because I wanted to work in aviation, working on helicopters, and I also saw that the Apache is probably one of the more cooler of the aircraft. Also, I wanted to hone my skills in electrical, which would help get a job in the civilian world.
One of the things that we do learn in the Army is leadership, and that is one of the biggest attributes for civilian companies, is they're looking with that electrical and the avionics electrical background and some leadership background.
I picked this MOS because of the technical side and everything that'll provide me if I do decide to go on the civilian portion of this aircraft. It really sets me up for success.
Help keep the Army's most advanced attack helicopter in top condition as a military occupational specialty. AH-64 Armament Electrical Avionics Systems Repair.